Hello everyone, Fernando Parnas, co-founder and CEO of Super.Fans here, and today I'm going to show you an early access to one of our newest tools that's coming out. We're super excited for this one. It's built entirely based on the feedback we've gotten from all of our awesome early users, and we're very excited to give you early access to the tool today. Before I launch into it, just a couple of quick startup disclaimers. Of course, this is in very early beta. This is our first automated tool flow. Please keep in mind, as you use this, you are likely to face errors and bugs. We are aware of most of them, but it's always helpful to hear from you. Anything that you do encounter, please do let us know. And if you have any suggestions or ideas or feedback of things you'd like to see in the future that this sparks, let us know as well. But again, just please keep that in mind. And also that we're going to be releasing a ton of updates and upgrades over the next couple of days, couple of weeks, etc. to this tool that you're about to see. So, all right, let's get into it. So to get here, you're going to be logged into Super.Fans, remember, and go to super.fans/tools in your browser. So that's going to lead you, this is still early access, so it's not publicly available, and that's going to lead you right here. So I'm going to start by clicking on the video idea generator. That's our current or the upcoming tool that's in early beta right now. And here you can now select the channel that is the foundational context for this flow. I like to think of it as the channel where I am generating the titles for. So in this case, let's say it's Deep Pocket Monster. I'm generating titles for Deep Pocket Monster. I'm going to go ahead and select that channel. Now in one moment, this is going to go ahead and load here into the additional context page. The additional context page is where you can select, you guessed it, additional context that's going to be added to refine the titles that are being created here. So in this case, I could select other channels, or I can select even specific videos from my channel. So in this case, let's go ahead and select some videos from Deep Pocket Monster here. We'll go ahead and select this one, and we can just click on that. And there we go. Those videos are all going to be added up here. If I click on the channel card, this will add the entire channel as inspiration. So again, I can click on videos, select individual videos, or click on the video card to add the whole channel. And then I can remove things right there. And I can also add groups or video groups. Remember, all of this data you would be adding to your account on the data tab. We have a separate video for that. So now I have a couple of videos loaded in here to my additional context. This is optional, remember. And then I can hit continue. In a moment, we're gonna see the next screen. There we go. This is the final screen before generation. Here I can select the number of ideas to generate. So let's say at 16. I can select up to 50 and as little as 1, of course. If you select 0, you wouldn't be generating anything. And then you can also provide additional context here. So this is where I would give any instructions the AI should know for this particular generation. Let's say I wanted to add a specific mention to a topic, or I wanted it to include specific punctuation. I would add that here. In this case, I'll leave that blank. And now we hit generate ideas, and you'll see the flow loading here. So now it's going to generate 16 titles. This is a prompt that you would be able to use in the actual AI assistant, but here this is all done automatically for you. And as we can see, it's generated several titles inspired by the titles we provided and the channel we provided. Of course, I provided very specific titles, as you guys can see, so it used that as the inspiration. Now, there's a couple of things to note. I can regenerate titles here. I can always go back to super.fans/tools and start this flow over again. I can edit titles if I would like, but I'm not going to do that here. And then finally, I can click on one of these. And once I've selected that title and clicked on that title, it'll launch the next step of the flow where a video card will be generated. This video card will include suggestions for the transcript, suggestions for the video description, as well as an early look at suggestions for what the thumbnail could look like. This is suggesting hooks, as you can see. This is suggesting different parts of the video, generating effectively an entire video idea. Now I'm going to give this a moment so that it can generate the actual video, the thumbnails here. But once that is done, you'll have effectively a fully ready video idea. And now I can go, and here we go, we see some thumbnail suggestions that could fit this. This will be significantly improved. In the future, we will allow you to tweak each of these areas, and we'll also explain why we suggested each of these things. That's coming out very soon. I can always go back here and click on another card or another title to generate another video card. And I can do this as many times as I want. A couple of things to note here is that, again, you might face bugs and errors, and after 5 minutes, these cards may disappear. So if you like something a lot, make sure to screenshot it once you get it. That will be fixed in the next 24 hours. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick demonstration of our new automated tool. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our team, let us know, and we're happy to help. Thank you very much, and have a great day.